Today we're checking out the Coleman CT200U mini trail bike, and we're taking it for a spin. This is going to be a ton of fun. Be right back.
Channel 33 RPM, yeah, 33 RPM. Channel 33 RPM, yeah, final gear and more.
Hi, my name is Frank. Welcome back to Sundays on Channel 33 RPM, your channel for vinyl, gear, and motorsports. Well, it is, at least today anyway. Most videos on this channel are music and music related, but as they say, man cannot live by music alone, so we need something completely different today. If this is your first time here at Channel 33 RPM, please do hit the subscribe button so you never miss another episode again. As I mentioned at the top, we're looking at this Coleman mini dirt bike, which is really cool. My wife surprised me and got this for me, believe it or not, as a post-Father's Day gift. I put it together. There's minimal assembly required, but I did put it together. Today we're gonna fire it up and we're gonna go for a spin. Check it out. Okay, I got the Coleman behind me, but before we fire it up, I want to tell you a bit more about this mini bike. This is a 6.5 horsepower machine that retails for about $500 US. It weighs just over 100 pounds and is nearly 5 feet long. The seat sits 26.5 inches off the ground. Now, I am 5'9", I weigh about 185 pounds, and the bike fits me just fine. Features include a 196cc pull start engine, oversized low pressure tires, and a rear drum brake. I figured I would get down here on the ground. I got my notes here. So top speed on this beast is officially around 25. Can you see me there? Top speed is around 25 miles an hour. But if you do a quick online search, you can see a ton of people doing mods to these machines that raises the top speed to apparently about 30 miles an hour. Anyway, let's take this bike for a spin around my property here. We live on 1.5 acres, which is enough to kind of get a feel for the bike, and then I'll come back and give you my impressions. What you gotta do is throw the gas on, gotta throw the choke on, hit the start on the handlebars and give it a pull. And then turn the choke off, and there we go. You know, this is fun, but I think it's time to take the bike on some dirt trails. Let's go. I am back from the quick ride around the neighborhood. First thing I should have mentioned earlier, safety first. I do not have a helmet yet. I probably shouldn't have left the property, but I did. Helmet is on the way. So if you're gonna ride one of these bikes, safety first, wear a helmet. The other thing is that these bikes are not street legal. So I may or may not have had to take a public road to get to the dirt road. Again, they are not street legal. I live in a rural, semi-rural area. People don't really complain here, not a big deal, but just a heads up. So my thoughts on this machine, it's a lot more peppy than I had expected. It's got a lot of torque. I'm not sure if you could tell, but when I went through the ditch, it actually got some air, which really surprised me. It's a lot of fun. The top speed, I feel like it wants to go faster, and it's not quite there yet. So one of my plans will be to modify this at some point to get a little bit more top speed. Otherwise, I absolutely love this bike. I thank my wife immensely for picking it up for me. Great value for the dollar. No, I'm gonna have a ton of fun in here, and we are gonna have a ton of fun in here as a family as well. That's about all I have. And I'm looking over here, and my daughter has hopped onto the mini bike as well. Now, you have to be 13 and older to drive this bike. She is 9, so she can't go on it yet, but I know she's counting down the days till she can also ride the dirt bike. Okay, 33ers, let me know what you thought of today's episode in the comments below. You want to see more of these sort of non-vinyl type videos? Yes or no? I would love to hear your opinion. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you back real soon. I just say keep on spinning, but until next time, keep on riding. I don't know. Take care, guys. See you soon.